Hello, my name is James Clark, and this is my calculator app project. The goal of this project was to basically recreate this app that I made 3 years ago. So I could put 3 miles right here, put my weight, and then it perfectly works. It says I burned 273 calories. My problem is that I'm not confident with the design of this. Like, it is very simple, but I needed something, and also, as you can tell, like the mobile application doesn't work. I can't even find where it is. So, oh, ew. Yeah, so that's the reason why I wanted to make a design for this project so that it's more user friendly. So now I'm going to go straight into kind of like my first sketches or like the basic idea of what I wanted to lay out for my project or app. So I'd first start off with the run walk, how many miles, and if you don't know how many miles, from to 2, the way, and then you burn 2 calories. My users like that, or the users like that, but they wanted more options. So okay, I go down here, I give them a bunch of options. I'm looking for calories, miles, weight loss, and then I go through the same process with your exercise, and then you have these prompts, questions, and whatever. The only critique I got for this was that they didn't like this type of arrow because it does look like it's straight out of MS Paint. And then, I don't know, they just didn't really see the miles as an interesting thing. Why is it? Anyways, yeah, so they didn't like finding miles because they didn't really see the point of doing that. So here I move into get the actual prototyping. I wanted to give it more of a Planet Fitness feel. So okay, I went for like this dark blue color and this bright yellow. And I just simply go for, I'm looking for calories that I burned or weight loss and go through the exercising, how many miles. I can even just do it right here, except that I don't want to start off here. I want to start off right there. So it'd be like calories that I burned. I want to run. I can't type anything. I don't know. So say to or from. You burned 0.01 calories. Anyways, so the big critique is that they didn't really like the blue color. They actually insisted on just sticking with the purple and just ripping off Planet Fitness. So I'm like, okay. So I did that. Fortunately, they didn't mind the title, but I could totally change that up. However, they appreciated it, so the color was really nice. If I go here, it'd probably be better to check out. It's like this. Let's run. Do that. I don't know. This is where I got some more critique. My users for the last test were like, I don't know if I would just simply like type in this and then type in that. So they recommended using Google Maps. And that's when I came up with my final design, which I just separated right here so I can organize it well. And so this is the reason why I'm confident with the design, because they didn't like well, first of all, this button was too big and it's just too vibrant, and some of them said it was pukey. I think if I combine it with green, then yeah, like that'd be pukey. But come on. But going back to here, I chose to do this dark blue and then light blue color, which is similar to my um, process book. But hey, it's a nice contrast, so I stuck with that. And I'm confident with this design the most because, well, one, the color's actually nice, it's calming. The next part is when I do this, I actually do have Google Maps, and I actually choose a really good location because it's just nice to actually just go on here and just make your destination or mark where your trail is at, and then the app can figure it out for you. And then you just type in your stuff and then finish. Really, the only biggest critique with the final design, and this I can't really say much, it wasn't really about the design. They like the design, It's just because it's Adobe XD, and even though I told them that they can't really input anything, they were kind of upset that they couldn't type anything. That was their first reaction, is that when, go to the beginning, when they get to here, they just automatically start tapping this and start trying to like type and stuff. And so it was just frustrating. So my next goal is to simply implement that into HTML and CSS. And I already have the JavaScript down for that, but I'll use JavaScript to make the transitioning happen. But that's my final project so far. Hope you'll like it. I'm kind of glad about it, so hope it goes well. Okay, well, thank you for watching my video, and hope you have a good day.